Welcome to day 5. There is a saying, you are known by the company you keep. And through our environments, we tend to inherit the beliefs of those with whom we spend the most time. These philosophies then become part of our subconscious mind. Though research shows that we function largely with subconscious minds that have been programmed by others, as humans, we have the amazing ability to change past conditioning. We can achieve this by releasing negativity, interacting with minded conscious people, enjoying inspirational sights and sounds, and engaging in uplifting activities. In this way, we can develop new positive ways of living and begin to clear the subconscious of all that does not serve us. True transformation is brought about by the two qualities inherent in consciousness: attention or focus, and intention, a clear vision of a desired outcome. Attention energizes and intention transforms. This our attention on expands in our lives, and our intention for the object of our attention will orchestrate the forces of the universe to support our desired result. Harnessing this power of attention and intention, you can change your life to reflect exactly what you envision. Entering into the field of all possibilities during meditation allows us to bear witness to our co-creative powers and change any situation in our lives. For instance, if you want to move from where you currently live to be closer to the ocean, then you might envision a 2-bedroom home, 1 block from the water's edge, vegetable garden and lawn for the dog. Being specific helps crystallize the vision. When you go into meditation, look at this intention and let it go. Surrender it to the field of all possibilities and allow the universe to correlate the details. You are a radiant, cherished, and deeply loved being, imbued with the seeds of divinity, and possess the power to live a life filled with love, joy, health, compassion, friends, material possessions, and whatever else you choose. Expect and accept this ultimate good and revel in the truth of your resplendent existence. Right now, as we prepare for meditation, let's take a moment to contemplate today's centering thought. Today, I embrace my potential to be, do, and have whatever I can dream. Today, I embrace my potential to be, do, and have whatever I can dream. Let's begin. Please find a comfortable position, placing your hands lightly in your lap and closing your eyes. In this moment, go within, to that place of inner quiet where we experience our connection to the higher self. Let go of all thoughts and begin to observe the inflow and outflow of your breath. With each inhalation and exhalation, allow yourself to become more relaxed, more comfortable, more. Gently introduce today's Sanskrit mantra, repeating it mentally and allowing it to flow with effortless ease. Sat Chit Ananda. Sat Chit Ananda. Existence, consciousness, bliss. Sat Chit Ananda. Whenever you are distracted by thoughts, sensations in your body, or noises in the environment, simply return your attention to mentally repeating the mantra. Sat Chit Ananda. Please continue with your meditation. I'll mind the time, and at the end, you'll hear me ring a soft bell to indicate it's time to release the mantra. Sat Chit Ananda. Sat Chit Ananda. It's time to release the mantra. Please bring your awareness back into your body. Take a moment to rest, inhaling and exhaling slowly and deeply. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. As you continue with your day, carry the sense of unlimited potential with you and consider today's centering thought. Today, I embrace my potential to be, do, and have whatever I can dream. Today, I embrace my potential to be, do, and have whatever I can dream. Today, I embrace my potential to be, do, and have whatever I can dream. Namaste.
Bang ปันผู้คนและมอบความ เบ่งบานสมบูรณ์นิรันดร์ให้เบ่งบานสมบูรณ์นิรันดร์ให้เบ่งบานสมบูรณ์นิ